this is Miss Tixie from Magic Gwen's Tarot, and this is your May horoscopes for air signs Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in air signs Aquarius, Libra, or Gemini, this reading is for you. We are going to look into all the three signs one by one for now from the 1 month ahead. You can use it anytime, but I am doing it for May as many of you requested it, friends. Here it is now in the English version. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel, friends. Please do subscribe. Also, friends, let me know if this reading resonated with me, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. Friends, these are general readings. They may resonate or they may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is for 1 month from now, so whenever you watch this reading it will help you out. So let's start with the air sign Aquarius. Let's see how your month will be of 1 month, or from now the month ahead will be. I'm going to take the other cards also. And for Aquarius, then we are going to go into Libra, then Gemini, and all sun signs you can check. For Aquarius, the main energy of the month. Ooh, the card is here. The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. I will not take reversals because I was holding the deck in the wrong way. Also, friends, any other message for overall energy for Aquarius? Definitely, you are at a new start in your life, Aquarius. Congratulations. Big changes are coming your way. See, now this is in reversed. Definitely, friends, I feel regarding your work and career, things are going to change, Aquarius. 1 month from now, I feel also spiritually a lot of things are going to change. That is why Spirit guided me to do these readings, because I don't usually do them like Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I do the astrology readings separately, but something is happening now, and angels were saying that I should do it like this. Friends, I feel you are completing a cycle in your life, and you are about to step into a new cycle in your life, a new phase, maybe a new career, a new relationship. I also feel you had worked very, very hard from last 10 years, 8 years, and this 1 month will change your life. And I feel money might not be coming your way, or you may not be feeling like money is coming. You are just working hard. For Aquarius angels, what is the main theme for the next 1 month for Aquarius? Confusion. So definitely you are confused right now regarding some situation, your life path, or maybe a relationship. I feel there may be an ending or a shift in a relationship. Confusions which you have are going to be over. Something will end, Aquarius, and something new will begin. Here is the bittersweet. I think life has been tough and bitter for you, Aquarius, till now, and money has not been coming in. You had been doing the hard work, but it will come now. Life is about to become sweeter for you, Aquarius, absolutely, for sure. And this is about a spiritual awakening for you, Aquarius. Let us see what else will happen for Aquarius. The Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. What else? Again, the Fool is here, so definitely a new start is happening, especially in love also. I feel you are very romantic, Aquarius. Someone wants to offer their love, someone who has been confused, someone who has been in double minds. It could be you offering your love to someone, Aquarius, or someone else. We will see who is this person. Is it? I think it is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces for some of you. Who is the person that's going to offer love? Yes, this person has been in double minds about you. They had been trying to juggle work and you and everything else, and I feel they have not been able to make balance this relationship. Maybe that's why the confusion is here. That theme energy is going on. Let us see more for your love life, Aquarius. Wow, King of Cups. Definitely, someone is going to be, maybe two people are going to offer you love, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or maybe a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel maybe someone also, I feel another thing, Aquarius, that someone was not very mature in the past, and that situation could end, and or you may have a new beginning for some of you, 10% of you, Aquarius. 10 to 20% may reunite with this person you are waiting or had a tough situation with, but for others I feel someone new is coming and you will have a choice between two people, Aquarius, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, and a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. You may have to choose between two people and you may feel slightly confused because you have the main energy of confusion. See, that is how tarot and everything fits together. And I feel I think this will be a new start in your love life. This will be like something heavy is shifted and more lighter, fresher, brighter energies are coming in your love life from now till the 1 month ahead, any time frame, temperance. So definitely a giving and equal partnership, a give and take, a mutual connection is coming towards you. If someone was not giving to you or reciprocating your love, they are going to give you love. And 10 of swords in reversed, so definitely something is ending. I see that if there is a situation, Aquarius, that has ended in your life, or there is a relationship that you feel is toxic, I think it is time to release that situation. Maybe you feel very fond of this person and you don't want to let go of them, or they don't want to let go of you, or the past hurt and pain. But I feel, Aquarius, it is time for you to let be, give it to God and surrender. Surrender, because there is a big shift happening for you. I will take a clarifier here. What is happening for Aquarius? Aquarius, what is happening for Aquarius? Definitely, you are going to discover something brand new. I told you, friends, Aquarius, this is like a new beginning. This is like, some sort of a confusion in your love life, relationships, marriage, work, career. It is going to be resolved, and some sort of a new discovery is going to happen. And this will be destined, Aquarius. This is absolutely destined for you, and your heart is going to be awakened. And I also feel you are going to attract a partner who has an awakened heart, or who is a perfect partner for you, or maybe someone is not opening their heart to you. I feel that person is also going to share their love. There is a chance they can open, but it is like bittersweet. Maybe they have a choice. Maybe if they open their heart, you will accept them. Maybe you won't. Right, Aquarius? Strength, yes, this is a very strong twin flame connection, very strong partnership, very strong connection. You are in good hands, Aquarius. Very, very good hands, actually, and things are looking up. Let us see your career, Aquarius, for the next 1 month from now. Career for Aquarius. Wow, again the discovery card and soulmate is here. So definitely your career will also be affected or supported by your love life. I also feel you could meet a new soulmate, or through work or career, or your soulmate could help you identify your life purpose, or you can help them identify their life purpose, Aquarius. A lot is happening. And workaholic, yes, I see you working a lot in the next 1 month, Aquarius. You are doing a lot of hard work. Your mind is not on rewards. You want perfection, you want success, you want new discoveries. Let's take one final quick message for Aquarius. Any advice for our Aquarius? I am also an aqua baby, so yes, let's see. Blessed, you are super blessed. Number 222, friends, you are extremely blessed 1 month from now. And rest assured, whatever you need or desire in love, career, money, life path, it is coming your way. You are protected, you are safe, Aquarius, you are safe. So that's it for now, friends. Do let me know if this reading resonated. I will move on to the Libra and Gemini reading. You can continue watching. If not, please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. And do let me know if this reading resonated with you, and let me know if I continue these readings in this way also. So yes, do subscribe, like, and share. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. Hi Libra. So if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign by any astrology is Libra, or if you know a Libra, you can cross watch it for them, friends. This is a general reading. We are going to look what will happen from now to the next 1 month for you air signs. You can check other signs also, like uh, fire signs, water signs, earth signs. So let us see Libras. Wow, the cards are jumping out. Definitely 5 of Pentacles. The overall energy for Libras for now to the next 1 month. Let us see. These are timeless readings, friends. Do subscribe, like, and share our channel. Wow, the Wheel of Fortune and the 10 of Pentacles. Very nice. Positive start is coming for you, Libras. A lot of positive changes. This is a destined change coming in your life. This is like you were stuck in suffering. You were suffering, you were challenged. Life was not good. People were misusing you, abusing you, or there were difficulties. But now a positive start is coming. The wheel is going to turn in your favor, Libras. Congratulations. And yes, a beautiful family life or long-term commitment or some sort of happiness regarding love, or long-term success in career is coming your way. 10 of Pentacles is like, money coming your way, or a happiness which is solid and secure, that is coming. If your marriage was going through difficulties, you can expect some positive changes. Let us see what else is the main theme for Libras. Wow, discovery. So definitely I feel you are going to discover positive new changes and positive blessings. In fact, karmic blessings are coming your way, Libras. You have worked very hard. You have worked very hard. Someone was not being honest, or someone was not giving you what you needed at your work, in love life. But now things are going to change for you, Libras. Congratulations for that. And we have the quest. You are searching, Libras. You are searching for ultimate fulfillment. You are searching for a soulmate, a life partner, life purpose, or your money. You are searching and you are going to figure it out. You are going to find that answer. Maybe you are asking why this person left you, why they didn't supported you, why this relationship ended, why this happened, why that happened. All those answers are going to be revealed to you. That is why I'm doing these readings, friends, because a lot is happening in the collective behind now in 2020. So friends, you can use it anytime, but this is important. I feel like, this is important. Let us see what will happen in your love life, Libras. You are going to discover something, and it will change your life in a very, very positive way. It could be you discover a new goal, a life partner, or a career. What will happen in Libra's love life? New start, passionate energy. 6 of Pentacles, justice being done. So those who have harmed you, Libras, they are going out, or they are coming back now. This is payback time to you. People who have taken from you, it will return back to you. Love is coming back to you, and maybe those people or new people will return love back to you. Let us see. I think justice is going to happen because we have the Wheel of Fortune. So someone who did you wrong, or something that was missing from your love life, is coming back. King of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person might be important to you, Libras. And there is the world and the empress. So definitely someone brand new is coming, and this person is the empress or the emperor of your life. They are going to change your life. Maybe this is a new person coming in your life, a new passionate connection, Libras, and it will change your life. Maybe something was removed from your life, or someone was not giving you what you needed, someone hurted you, but all that happened because you can attract this beautiful woman or a partner or a man into your life. There is so much attraction here. I feel this is a brand new start. We also have the world. So maybe someone's, for some of you, it could be a person from your past, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person returning back to you, Libras. But this is payback. Your hard work is going to return back, Libras. Balance is coming, and new beginnings and endings. Clarify the world angels for Libra. Wow, Ten of Swords. Something has ended, and it is still hurting you, Libras. Something has ended, but it is still hurting you. You are not over that hurt, and maybe you need to figure out why somebody hurted you, why things ended, and maybe I feel that discovery is about that. You need to find some answers, and you will be finding the answers. And I feel someone which is more deserving than you or more perfect for you is coming your way. It could be someone you marry, your future husband or wife. I also feel this person, that you are attracting or that is returning. If you are married and have relationship issues or passion is lacking, you can expect it to return back in your marriage. Childbirth and all those things can happen. And yeah, messages are going to get activated. Lots of messages are coming, Libras, towards you. Lot of people are going to message you, maybe from someone from your past and a new person. Let us see what else will happen for Libras in their love life. Wow, creation. Absolutely new things are creating. Some of you could be getting pregnant or getting married, or some of you are trying to manifest a new lover or a beautiful relationship or a past lover. It is going to happen for you. Or maybe Libra, someone is trying to win you back. It is going to happen. What else is going to happen in Libra's love life? Okay, this wants to jump out. You are workaholics. Some of you could be learning some hobby, some creativity, or you could be dealing with an artist. Maybe you will date an artist, or both of you are artists, or someone who was not giving you time because of their work. They will give you some time, Libras. They will leave their work aside for you. And impasse. So definitely you feel stuck somewhere, Libras, in some love situation or some sort of emotional confusion. You feel stuck, but I feel it is because divine is making you stop there, because something is happening and it will bring you this positive change. You don't have to worry about it. Things are moving in your favor, Libras. You don't need to worry so much. And let us see your career. Let's see your career for the next 1 month for Libras. I'm gonna put it aside. Your career, Libras. Wow, so definitely again the same energy for Gemini is also a lot of, you don't trust the people you are working with. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. You are worried about money. You are looking for some new work or passion in your career. That is why you had this Ten of Pentacles. I feel you are looking for money or some sort of a job that is paying you more. So absolutely, I feel you do not trust your people at work, or there are definitely people who are not trustworthy at your work, or maybe if you are a student, there are people who are not trustworthy in your friend circle, your seniors, your colleagues, or someone like that. I feel there may be someone who promises you some money, but they may not they are not able to fulfill that promise, or someone has promised you a deal, Libra, but it doesn't happen, or promotion, but it doesn't happen. Some competition is there, some politics happening. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person will be important, but I feel it will not affect you, Libras, because whatever is happening, this is going to bring you into something better. Whatever is going on, anyone who is working against you, Libras, they are going to get justice, and you are going to get the, rewards back. Justice will happen. You are going to fall in love with your work, and some new start is going to happen. Perhaps you will get a new job or internship which is paid, or maybe you will learn some new skill which will be very successful career ahead for you. And let us see other messages. For I feel money will also be, you have some money worries, Libra, it will be resolved. Let us see your final messages, Libras. Definitely happy, happy. You are going to be at a happy, happy place, and that is what you are looking for. Where is your happiness? What makes you happy? Where is your rewards? They are coming, Libras, and this key, this lock will be opened, and some person has the key to your heart, and that person is coming. I also feel you may meet a new lover through work or through your education, and I feel be careful in trusting people, Libras. TikTok, yes, you feel it is time for your success. Yin also jumped out. Yes, it is time for success. Number 30 might be important. You feel it is time for perfect changes, it is time for luck to come in, it is time for justice to happen, Libras. It is going to happen. It is time you give your worries away and bring happiness into your life, and it is time to stay open because a lot of things, good things are coming for you, Libras. Congratulations. And that's it for now. This is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and do join us on Instagram and as Magic Vans Tarot. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. Let me know if this reading resonated, and if I continue or not these readings, also let me know. This is it for now. Bye for now. Hi beautiful angels, this reading is for Gemini for now, for 1 month ahead, friends. So if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign by any astrology is in Gemini, this reading is for you, friends. And we are going to look into career, future, everything, and I will be taking other messages also, friends. So spirit guided me to do these readings as a lot of big changes are happening now and will be coming ahead. So this is a timeless reading, although it is for May, but you can use it. I have designed it timeless. For any 1 month you can use it. So yes, for Gemini, theme for the energy of Gemini for the next 1 month. For Geminis, this card wants to come, Two of Wands. Definitely success, Geminis. You are moving ahead. You can check the other signs also, friends. Page of Swords, you are in your own energy, very strong energy, Geminis. Aquarius, you could also be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Theme for the next 1 month for Gemini. Six of Wands, victory, wand energy. You are super charged ahead, Geminis. You are very going into the mode of activation, and you are going to be very successful ahead in the next 1 month. You are going to get very focused on what you want, what you desire. Your intentions are clear, your goals are clear, your communications are very clear and precise, and some news will be coming your way. I feel success will be yours. Anything you start, Geminis, it is going to be successful for you. And an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini might be important. What is the overall theme for Geminis for the next 1 month? Acceptance. Yes, you are learning to deal. You have learned to accept your life, and that is what, something beautiful is going to come your way. You feel like God is guiding you from behind, so something is very clear to you and you accept it. Like maybe something, there is some weight involved, like an exam will happen with a delay, but it will happen, so you have accepted it, and your acceptance will bring you a lot of success, friends, especially in your career. I feel overall energy for Gemini is creation. Yes, you are very sure of what you want to create. New ideas are coming for you. I feel some of you could be starting new careers, or Geminis, you could be learning some new skills or something like that, or you want to learn something new, or you will be learning something new, Geminis. Let us see your love life, Geminis. What will happen from now to next 1 month for Gemini's love life? High Priestess, intuition, very, very strong. You could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, a King of Cups. Definitely two people coming towards you. Oh my God, three people are coming towards you. Gemini's, what is going on? Again, a Queen of Pentacles is there. So a lot of people want you, want to know you. I feel there is the Six of Cups and the Death card, transformation, changes. I feel you are going to become very clear, Geminis, on what you want in life, and your intuition will be guiding you in your relationships, whom to trust, whom not to trust. I feel you could be in a relationship with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or somehow other people are affecting your love life, friends, family, or maybe you have a third party situation, because we have the Queen of Pentacles and two guys here. So it could be a third party situation, Geminis. But I feel something is going to resolve in your favor, Gemini. Something is going to resolve and it will bring you, and I feel a third party situation or something like that, or some relationship will end, but you will feel like you will already know about it when you're in your intuition, and it will bring you clarity. A soulmate love relationship will be yours, Gemini, that's for sure. Absolutely. Let us see what else is coming. See, Hermit in reversed. I feel someone is taking a lot of time and keeping you waiting, Gemini. You might end that situation in the next 1 month and move on to some new people, and definitely new romance and soulmate connections are coming. I think you have accepted, that is why this acceptance is here. You have accepted that some things are taking too long or not meant for you, and you will be leaving them, Geminis, and moving ahead. Use your intuition. You are very intuitive in the next 1 month. Let us see what else will happen in your love life for Geminis. Wow, passion. Someone is going to ignite your passion. A passionate connection will be coming your way. I feel it may be with someone new or someone you don't expect. Anything else for Gemini's? Balance, yes, karmic balance. I feel third party situations or other factors are affecting your love life. That is going to be resolved, Gemini's. It is going to be resolved for you.